Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use Rescission Rule in Warhammer 40k 10th edition. To do this, first we'll need to note that this guy has a precision rule on his weapon, even though he doesn't have it normally, and also the guy on the right is character and there's invisible bodyguards around him, and he's attached to that bodyguard unit. Now we can normally, if you would shoot at the character with the entire unit attached to it, you wouldn't be able to directly attack the character. First you would need to kill their entire bodyguard, and in this case, if you have precision rule, you'll be able to normally target a character instead of bodyguards. Of course, you can also go for the bodyguards if you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.